Okay, so this looks similar to part 1 from the reading paper, okay? And we have seen strategies to go over the texts, right? So what do we need to do first? Read them. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Read them. Natasha, I was walking past the notice board when I saw the perfect accommodation advert. When are you free to see the rooms? Adriana. Okay, so what text type is it? It's written on a piece of paper. It's handwritten, right? It's handwritten. And where could I see it? Maybe hanging on the refrigerator, right? On your house. So it's a note, okay? Now, once you have identified the text type, you need to move on to the multiple option questions, okay? So, here what you need to do is choose the correct answer. Okay, there are 3 options, 2 are wrong, and 1 is correct. Okay, I'm going to go about this. Let's focus on the second one, okay, the note. So let's go to number 2. A good strategy for multiple option questions is to read them and underline the keywords, the important words, okay? So, A. Natasha must make an appointment to see the rooms. So, appointment is like an important word, right? B. Natasha should tell Adriana when she can see the rooms, sorry. So, should tell Adriana when she can see the rooms, yeah? And then C. Natasha needs to go and read the advertisement for the rooms. So, read the advertisement. So, which is the correct one? Which of these say something similar to what the note says? Let's see, let's go over it again. Natasha. So who is writing? Adriana, right? Adriana is writing to Natasha. I was walking past the notice board when I saw the perfect accommodation advert. When are you free to see the rooms? Okay, so she saw an advert like this one. Yeah, imagine. And she's asking, when is she free to see the rooms? So A, Natasha must make an appointment to see the rooms. Does it talk? I mean, maybe she needs to make an appointment, but does it say it here? No. So, wrong. What about B? Natasha should tell Adriana when she can see the rooms. Is that wrong? It's not wrong, because who's writing here? Adriana. And why did Adriana write this note? So that Natasha tells Adriana when she can see the rooms. Okay, so we're going to go for B. But just in case, let's read C, because maybe we get confused or something. C. Natasha needs to go and read the advertisement for the rooms. Okay, does Adriana tell Natasha to go and read the advertisement? Does she ask her that? No. Okay? So, remember the strategies, okay? The tips, the exam tips. identify the text type. And if you can't identify it, okay, think, where would you see something like this? Alright? And once you have identified the text type and you go to the multiple options, underline the key words, the important words, and then what should you do? Think of which one says something similar to the text. Okay? Read the 3 options, okay? So guys, that's it, and let's move on.